is a fairy garden challenge hosted by the wonderful Miss Grandma Sandy. She has a lot of great fairy gardens and gnomes on her channel. I've enjoyed watching her videos in the last few days, so y'all go over to her channel and check it out. Okay, this is the beginning of the fairy garden. This is going to be something I'm totally unfamiliar with. So I've got some pots and stuff that I've found, and I'm working this with pieces and incorporating new pieces with old pieces. And we're going to turn our little flower garden into a fairy garden. So this is how we start. I'm going to use this paper here, and I'm going to decoupage. This is going to be my base colors. I love this, spring colors. So, like I said, something new. Okay, so I have decoupaged the paper onto one of the pots. I've painted, decoupaged the rim on that one. I've painted the pots in the blues, the teals, and the pink and white columns. These candlesticks, I'm going to use them for pillows or pillars. We'll see how this all turns out. Okay, so here is my fairy garden. We have the little lighthouse on top to protect the little gnomes, and he has a light looking over us. The flowers. This is not an old bird bath, or I mean old water fountain. Right now it's not hooked up. So we've got the little village of the fairy. She's got her little acorn house, and she's got her little topiaries and her little flowers. And then we have a ladder that goes down to where the gnome sits by the little fountain, and little flowers, little butterflies in there. I don't know, this is my first time at doing a fairy garden, so I hope this is along the line. We have the snail that says, "Welcome to my garden." So, I don't know. Let me know what you think.